Welcome to DVCOM Technology. In this video, I'm going to show it to you the complete overview of Yeastar P Series PBX. So right now, whenever you log in at first time and what are the options that you are going to get, then after that, what is the purpose of each and every option, then we are going to see. So I just give you some brief overview about Yeastar P Series, the options, what is there, it's available. So let's go and have a look. So open the browser. So the default IP address which I changed as per my previous lab, which is 192.168.1.5, and the default administrator is I changed the default username as administrator and the password I have specified, guys. Then I'm trying to log in now. So click on login. Then the moment when you log in at first time, you are going to get the dashboard, guys. Through the dashboard, you can able to see what are the active calls, what's the CPU utilization, memory usage, and local storage. You can get the complete information, guys. And how many extensions are registered, how many zip trunks are available, whether the Linkus clients is login or not, you can able to see it here. And also if you see here something very interesting, the interface status. So through the interface status, you can able to see which interface is up and running. So right now we have connected with the LAN. That's why it's showing in the blue color. So that's why it's showing it's connected. But if you see here, the WAN and USB is disconnected. Yeah. And if you go down, there is a schedule backup is not enabled. That's why it's showing off. And what are the blocked IPs and emergency recordings, and you can able to see it here, guys. And also if you want to know the firmware version and all, just click on the information and you can see the IP address which is configured on the LAN as well as the information about your PABX. So especially whenever you want to open a ticket or something, sometimes maybe the tech engineer is going to ask you the serial number. So you get ready with this. And also this is maximum is going to support 50 extensions and maximum concurrent calls is going to support 25. So this is the complete overview about the dashboard. The next thing is that extensions and trunks. So through extensions and trunks, we are going to create the extensions. After that, we are going to assign these extensions to your physical phones. If you want to configure the physical phones or if you want to configure the soft phones, you can able to configure it from here. And also there is a trunks, guys. Whatever trunks you want to configure it, either zip trunk or PRI trunk or nlock trunks, all the trunks you can able to configure it from here. Then after that, the roles, through the roles you can able to define what are the roles you want to give it to your local administrators. So that's your choice, guys. Then after that, the contacts, through the contacts you can able to see here the company contacts. If you want to create a company contacts, you can configure it. If you want to enable the phone books, you can able to create it and you can assign it as well. And if you want to integrate with LDAP server, you can able to integrate it as well. And auto provisioning, guys, this is one of the very interesting stuff. So whatever phones you are connected here, and it's going to show it to here. So that what you can do simply, after created the extensions, you can assign those extensions to your phones. So through auto provision, everything you can able to auto provision to your phones. So you no need to go each and every phone manually through browser, and no need to configure the no need to register the phone. So simply through auto provision, you can save a lot of time. You can provision your phones and directly you can able to register with the PBX. And there is a resource repository is available, guys. In case if you want to upgrade the firmware or something, you can just download it and keep it here. Then after that, you can upload it in the phone. The very interesting thing is that call control. It's very important, guys. You can define your call control like inbound routes, outbound routes, and you can define your business hours and holidays, and you can define your emergency numbers. And if you want to configure auto clip, all these features you can configure it from the call control. Then after that, the call features. So as I mentioned to you guys, the call features are very interesting stuff, and especially the customers, they like to configure the IVR, string group, queues, conference, speed dial, recording, paging, whatever things you want to configure it, you can configure it from here, call features. Then after that, the Pbx settings. Through Pbx settings, in case if you want to change your SIP settings, you can able to change it. By the way, the SIP, if you see here, the RTP range, it's a 10,000 to 12,000, guys. And if you want to see the codecs, what codecs is going to support, you can see it here. In case if you want to enable the TLS, you can able to enable it as well. And this is purely your customization, guys. These settings, it's always recommends that don't play it until if you understand this. And also the voice prompts is one of the very interesting stuff. In case if you want to upload your own voice prompts or if you want to create, you can able to create it from here. And the preferences, this is exactly same like the older versions guys, and you can just mention there your extensions number from where you want to start and all. So these are the default settings. In case if you want to change, you can change it. And again in the system, from here you are going to change your network settings. So I already shown to you how to change the IP address at this time of initial stage. In case if you feel that you want to do some changes again, you just come back here and do the changes here. And again, if you see here the date and time, according to your time zone, you can just select your time zone. And if you want to sync with NTP server, you can keep it same. Or else if you say that I have a local NTP server, let's say my Pbx doesn't have internet connection, then you can just specify the local local NTP server. So in case if you want to specify your own customized email server, you can just specify the custom email server as well. And this is what where you are going to define your local storage. So in case if you want to add a network drive, you can able to add it as well. And from here you can able to select the event notification. You can do the customization and all, and remote management. And in case if you want to access your Pbx remotely, then you can able to do it. Actually, this is for especially if you want to use Yeastar central management. If you want to do that, you need to enable this one guys. So right now I don't want to do that. Then hot standby, this is for hot standby. If you want to have a redundant unit, you can configure it from here. Again, for the security, you can define your the security rules and all, and which subnet. In case if your subnet is not belongs to this range, and if you are finding some issue while you are trying to access your PBX, just come here and add that subnet here. And again, if you go with the maintenance, you can able to upgrade it, or if you want to take the backup or restore, or if you want to reboot, or if you want to reset, or if you want to do troubleshooting. This is one of the very interesting guys. Just go to the troubleshooting, then after that you can select any, and after that click start. Then you can just ask the customer to make a call in case if you want to find call related issues or SIP related issues or some registration issues or some other issues. Everything you can able to find out from here. And also here you will find the ping tool and trace route. These are the very interesting stuff. Then system logs, you can download it and see it. And integrations, in case if you want to integrate with the CRM, at the moment if you see here we are supporting HubSpot, Salesforce, Zoho. If you want to integrate with, just click on the whatever the CRM you are going to integrate, you can do that as well. And reports and recordings, you can just go here. There is a call detailed records, you can see it here. You can select the date and time, and you can just download it as well. And you can say call from, and if you want to see between two endpoints, you can just mention there call from and call to. And recording files, you can able to see it here. You can able to see the complete call reports, and here you can able to specify it, what type of reports you want to see it guys, because these are required like license. So for license is not there, that's why it's not able to show it to you. And you can click on the plan, and if you see here there is a three different plans guys: the basic plan, enterprise plan, and ultimate plan. So the basic plan is by default it's a totally free, but you are going to get the basic IPPBX features. But in case if you want to go with the remote access service, call center features, call accounting features, instant messaging features, CRM integration, phone book, advanced API, these are all the things which is available in the enterprise plan. And in case if you want to test, you can just enable for 30 days trial and you can test it as well. And there is another one is that ultimate plan guys. The good thing is that whatever features is available in the enterprise plan, you are going to get it in ultimate plan. It's a free of cost for you. And see here, that's what they mention here, all in the enterprise plan plus. Then after that, additionally you are going to get the video conferencing and web video call. So in case if you go with the ultimate plan, and you will get all the features guys you really enjoy with enterprise plan and basic plan. And in case if you go with enterprise plan, by default whatever basic plan is available, you are going to get it. So this is actually included in all your P series appliance. So let's say that your customer he likes to go with the basic PBX features, you can simply go for the basic plan. Or in case if you want to go with the remote access, call center, or call account, instant messaging, CRM integration, phone book, and advanced API, then you can go with enterprise plan. Let's say you want to test all the features, you can go with the ultimate plan. In the ultimate plan, you are going to get enterprise and basic features as well. So that is the complete overview about the P series PBX guys. In my next upcoming videos, I'm going to show it to you how to configure each and every option in Yeastar P series PBX. For sales, please send us an email sales@datavoice.com. For support, please send us an email support@datavoice.com. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.